Hey there, someone rightly said our choices and decision make our destiny. And the career path decision about child when he or she is in 10th is very crucial because that decision can change complete trajectory of his or her career. But the problem is we out of urgency and sometimes we take a very casual approach. We take something with local advice and do not follow scientific base approach. So in this video we will cover top 10 careers in physical science, chemical sciences, and agro sciences. This is Maurya, an alumnus of BITS Pilani, and I am Bangalore with 25 years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children to become super achievers and lead a successful life. So let's dive in. All right, as you can see, these are top 10 careers in physical. I mean, if child is good in physics and chemical science, if child is good in chemistry and agro sciences, right? So these are the basic sciences, and no people underrate. However, there are a lot of careers in this stream. So first one, if you see that if child is good in physics, really passionate in the physics, this is a good field. We call it astrophysicist or astronomical engineering, right? Because he or she can choose career in solar astrology, planet astrology, stellar astrology, radio astrology, galactic astrology. So lot of is astrology field there is very passionate and very noble of field where child can make a career. And other than that, also meteorology department. Every state, every district has meteorology department in government, and also there are a lot of organization who work in the meteorology. So this is also a great career in the meteorology with this in astronomy field. Second, you can see right the core research. Yeah, anyway, I mean, if child is good in physics, he or she can go into core research. A lot of research are going in India and across the globe in the field of physics. Also, child can opt for an education if he or she good in no interpretation and articulation and want to go into teaching. This is great field. So these are no just core physics professional. And next one, as you can see, aerospace research. This is a great field, is emerging and going to be evergreen. And no in the aerospace, child can apt their career in airplane, fighter plane design and development, satellite design and development. Lot of companies, private companies, government organization, they are in this field. And no air shuttle, space vehicle design engineering. So there's huge potential in this field, right? And of course, fourth one is nuclear scientist, right? And this is again a core research. I mean, across the globe there's a lot of research being conducted in the nuclear science, because this is the source of clean energy, and that's the future. Because what happens after some times, if our fuel is no over, then we have only choice to depend on nuclear energy and the renewable energy, that is called no turbines and all that stuff, right? So with the nuclear scientist, child can go in nuclear reactor design and development, nuclear weapon design, and core nuclear research. So there's a lot of things are happening in the nuclear field as well, which is underrated and is not obvious, right? Fifth one, material science. Material science is a big area, because to manufacture the goods, machinery and tools, there are a lot of research is happening in material, in terms of how to make better material with a lightweight and with the strength. A lot of things are happening. So there are careers in material research, material design and development, and manufacturing. Next one. So the first five are for the if child is very much passionate about the physics, right? So of course everything is linked, is interlinked career, physics, chemistry, bio, things are no linked. But no, if his or her core strengths are in only physics, then first five, 1 2 3 4 5 are the great career. Next one, when child is no good in chemistry, he or she is passionate in chemistry, these are the great career. The sixth point, you can see the forensic scientist. This is a great, because every country, every and most of the places, and they have core team of crime investigators where based on their footprints or their fingerprints, they analyze the DNA, all that stuff, and they identify the criminals. So there's a core team in terms of research, also the investigation. All right. So next one is chemist. I mean, this is very obvious. So and chemists, they work in the lab, and they are part of a lot of experimentation, and they are also involved in the research and development. So there are a lot of chemists job in the pharmaceutical industries and other industries, manufacturing plants as well, right? So eighth one is drug research and development. I mean, this is basically when child is very genius, excellent in the chemistry, and he has a lot of passion. So he or she can go in in the medicine manufacturing, research, no medicine research and development, clinical trials. So there's huge potential in the pharmaceutical industries in terms of research, design, development, and experiments. So next one is agro products and research. I mean, this is still I would say green ocean. Lot of opportunities are there, and it's underrated because food requirement across the globe is going to be increased, and this is ever growing industry in the world. So in terms of no, if a child is interested and he or she belongs to be to do from the village background, he has a lot of exposure in agriculture. No, he or she can get into the food processing industry and production, agricultural development, and no. Also, there are a lot of research happening in the agriculture field as well. Also, no, there's huge potential in tools and machines manufacturing. So, a lot of agriculture tools and machines are being manufactured every year to supply in the farming sector. So, there's a huge potential in this area. And last one, agro research. I mean, this is a core research. If child is interested in the in agriculture field, and he or she want to go into purely research, and this is a great area. So no, there are every country, every I would say district, they have no agriculture research part where no government organization depute them to take care of agriculture development. So these are the top 10 and core professions, core career options in the physics, chemistry, and agriculture science. So that's what I wanted to cover. Let's move forward. All right. Hope you got a lot of value out of it. You may subscribe the channel to get more resources on career planning. And also, I'm really excited to share with you a success mindset e-guide, a free e-guide you can download below link. I also humbly invite you to be part of our VIP Facebook community. We call it Superachievers Mastermind. So with this, I sign off. Thank you so much.